Looks good and clear.
We need more in this section. Okay, I'll get the next batch ready.
The readings are stable. Let's move to the dental check.
All right, I have the data recorded on the tablet.
Okay, bringing the hoof down. Are you ready for the eye exam? Yes, the ophthalmoscope is set. Clear view of the fundus. Yes, the liver looks perfectly healthy. Good, let's move to the next bull in chute 4. We need to expedite the process.
Keep them moving forward, steady and calm.
Move along now, easy does it. Keep them steady on the right.
Thickness is optimal. Continue the line.
We need to increase the water pressure on the second rinse.
All right, adjusting the valves now.
Welcome to the Finding Solutions facility. Here, premium leather is carefully processed. The coloring process begins.
The color consistency looks perfect.
I agree, it is flawless.
Quality is our top priority. Every detail matters at Finding Solutions, delivering excellence every time.